I don't believe the other parent is spending the child support on the child. Can she or he do that? The parent receiving child support has complete discretion about how he or she spends the child support money. The paying parent has no right to tell the receiving parent how to spend the money. Hello everybody, if you're new here, my name is Sheila Leonard. In my actual practice, I am a divorce mediator working throughout the state of Maine. I am the owner of the Mid-Coast Mediation. Welcome to my channel where I discuss conflict resolution topics to educate everyday people. Just remember, nothing in this channel constitutes legal advice, so be sure to talk to a lawyer as cases are fact dependent. Child support is financial support that one parent pays to the other parent to provide the child's needs. Many parents who pay this support believe that every dollar should go to tangible items related to the child, such as clothes, food, and toys. However, child support is also intended to provide for the child's living expenses such as rent, utilities, childcare, school activities, entertainment, extracurricular activities, and more. The financial burden of paying child support may be difficult at times, depending on your current financial circumstances. However, as a loving father or mother, you understand that the payments are for the direct benefit of your children. You certainly want to make sure your ex-spouse is spending the child support money. You send her as intended under the child custody agreement. In some cases, non-custodial parents in Maine who are paying child support become aware of evidence that their ex is not spending their money appropriately. For instance, on non-essential, frivolous items instead of for the basic needs of the children. If you are paying monthly child support and would like to delineated list of how your payments are being spent by your spouse, you will not be able to obtain this information. Once the amount of child support is determined by the court, the parent is responsible for receiving the payment and using her best judgment and allocating it to meet the needs of the children. General rule, most states do not require parents to prove how they spend child support payments. The child support obligation reflects the reasonable needs of the child and the ability of the paying parent to provide support. So the need to monitor spending is usually considered unnecessary. The courts generally infer that parents with physical custody will provide for the necessary expenses to raise the child and will not monitor whether the parent uses these funds appropriately. Courts may find the task too daunting to continuously oversee how child support payments are applied. Child support money is intended for the benefit of the children. However, family law courts deem acceptable a wide range of expenses that may be paid for with this financial support. For instance, your ex may decide to spend the money on food, clothing, school supplies, or medicine for the children, or she may spend it on other necessities of the household, including rent or utility bills. Child support may also be saved for emergencies or the future cost of child's education. Courts may even consider child support money spent on entertainment such as restaurant meals, gift for the children, or weekend trips to an amusement park as legitimate basic needs for the children. If, however, you discover that your ex is spending your child support money on herself or others for things that do not pertain to the support, welfare, and benefit of the children and the household, then then you may have cause for concern. There are several ways that child support money can be spent outside of its proper use. What to do if you suspect your child's basic needs are not being met. If you suspect your ex is not properly taking care of your children's emotional and physical needs with your child support payments, you can inform the authorities. You will need to provide them with evidence of neglect or abuse, or that your child support is being spent in a manner that is illegal or harmful to your children. If you present this evidence, the authorities may move forward to protect your children. Maine does not have a system in place that requires the parents receiving child support to detail how the money is being spent. If you believe your ex is not using the money you sent to take care of your children's needs, you have the option to raise the issue through an attorney in court, mediation, or with a child support agency. If you like this kind of video, please give it a thumbs up. Click on the notification bell and subscribe below so that you can be notified every time I share more quality topics about family law. And if you know someone who can benefit from this video, please share it with them. Or you can visit my website at www.midcoastmediationmaine.com. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye now and stay safe.